3M's range of Scotch Brite handpads can be used across various different applications, such as deburring, cleaning, blending, finishing and polishing. Here we will explore their benefits in more detail. We've taken an old car exhaust, which has been developing a lot of heavy rust over some time. To remove the rust, we are using a Scotch Brite 7447 handpad in A Very Fine, which is a conformable, flexible pad, enabling us to produce a consistent, repeatable finish without altering the shape of the workpiece. As you can see here, the 7447 handpad has removed the surface rust, but we've been left with some deep pitting marks in the metal. To remove the pitting marks, we can now use a Scotch Brite 7440, A medium handpad. So for light surface cleaning and where conformability is required, the 7447 handpad can be used. But for heavier cleaning applications, then the 7440 handpad is the better option. But Scotch Brite handpads aren't just for use on metals and can be used on many other materials such as wood, glass, ceramics, plastics and many others. But here we're going to demonstrate how you can key a surface onto a lacquered panel. Using a Scotch Brite 7448 S Ultra Fine handpad, we can key in a surface to the panel in order to carry out any repairs or before lacquering a surface, leaving a finish that is fine enough for the top coat of lacquer to cover.